Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet a drawstring pouch using two colors. These would make excellent gift bags, or you can also use it to store your makeup items, stationery, or any knickknacks. The bag is about 8.5 inches high and 8.5 inches wide. The pattern is easy and beginner friendly. I also have a written pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I use this yarn called Baby Soft in two colors. It's a sport weight or fine yarn. I used a 3.5 mm crochet hook. You'll also need your needle, scissors and a couple of beads with large holes. Using the first color, make 40 chains. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in rest of the chains except the last. Three single crochets in the last chain. Single crochet in the next 37 chain on the other side of the foundation chains. Then work 2 single crochets in the next chain. Totally in this round you will have 80 single crochets. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. For the next round, pull the second color through the loop and then tighten the loop by pulling the first yarn. And now we'll start working using the second color. Single crochet in the first stitch and then chain 5. Skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5, skip 3 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. Chain 5, skip 3 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of the round, after the last chain 5, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. We'll start the third round. For each round, you'll be alternating the colors. So now drop the second color and pull the first color through the loop and tighten the loop. And then make 2 chains and work a double crochet in the same stitch. This together counts as a cluster stitch, and then make 3 chains and work a 2 double crochet cluster in the same stitch. Then single crochet in the next chain 5 space. In the next single crochet, work a 2DC cluster, chain 3 and 2DC cluster. then single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then 2DC cluster, chain 3, 2DC cluster in the next single crochet. Repeat this around. At the end of the round, you will work a single crochet in the last chain 5 space and then join with a slip stitch to the top of the first cluster. Then work a slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, and now pull the next color through the loop and tighten the loop, and then work a single crochet in the same space, then chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Repeat this around. Then finish the round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Drop this yarn and pull the next one through the loop and tighten the loop, and you'll be repeating the previous 2 rounds, that is rounds 3 and 4, 10 more times. You'll start this round with 2 chains and work a double crochet, chain 3 and a 2 DC cluster in the same stitch. Then single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then 2 DC cluster, chain 3, 2 DC cluster in the next single crochet. So repeat rounds 3 and 4 10 more times. Then we'll work the border. Pull the next color through the loop. In the next chain 5 space, work a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet, all into the chain 5 space. Make a single crochet in the next single crochet, and then in the next chain 5 space work single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet. Then single crochet in the next single crochet. Repeat this around. Okay, now we'll make a cord using the second color. Actually, we'll be making 2. Work 95 chains. Fasten off after making the chains. Make 2. And now we'll thread the cord through the space in the border. So you'll be threading these cords in different directions. The one will start from one corner and go all the way around the bag and bring it to the same space where you started. And then insert the next cord at the other end. And then thread one end of this cord through the circumference of the bag, reaching the same space where you started. And then hold the both ends of the cord together. Insert a bead with a large hole through both ends of the cord. Make a knot. Then cut off the loose ends of yarn. Repeat on the other side. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern. You can find the return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.